Ayan, hello po sa inyo Ma'am Riza. Una sa lahat, kumusta po kayo Ma'am?
Doing good po. Thank you po. How are you po?
Okay lang naman. Today, I was given the task to discuss with you po sa inyo yung update letter ni INZ sa partnership work visa ni Ma'am Riza. Tama po ba Ma'am?
Yes po.
So, first and foremost, babasahin ko lang po muna yung letter. It says here po is, congratulations! Prove na ang inyong partnership work
Thank
visa.
you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you po.
Yan, I was given the task to deliver the good news po sa inyo, ma'am, at sa inyo, sir, na approve na ang partnership work visa ni Ma'am Riza. Ayan.
Oh, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank
Sir
you
lang
po.
po, ma'am. No worries po. We're so actually happy din po as well for you. So, kamusta po yung pakiramdam niyo po na na-approve na ang partnership work visa niyo, ma'am?
Ma'am, all glory belongs to the Lord, good ma'am.
Ayan. Yes po, ma'am. Yun.
Thank you, ma'am.
Kinabahan po ba kayo regarding sa inyong application?
Actually, nung pag-message niyo po sa akin, ma'am, kaninang umaga, I was so nervous. My hands are trembling. And I was like, oh, what's the update for? And I also had a friend po na nakatry din sa SDH. And I asked her, what's the process? Ano po yung ways niyo? Paano niyo sabihin sa amin yung result? Sabi niya, the SDH was going to contact us to schedule a meeting. I asked them, is it through phone call or Google Meet? Sabi niya, it's through Google Meet daw. And I was like, oh, this is it. Iba yung experience nila and we are so grateful kasi hindi na po siya na ano ng 2 weeks. Ilan lang? Kahapon. Oo, doon. Kahapon, 1 week na? Oo. So, thank
Yun.
you po talaga, ma'am.
Yun, no worries po. We're so happy din as well na mabilis yung approval ng INZ sa inyong partnership work
Opo.
visa
Kaya nga.
application. Meron po ba kayong pinakamantinding takot nyo regarding sa inyong application?
Yun po yung
Ayan.
kinabahan namin kasi we just got married and we just lived together. And
Okay, so newlywed po kayo for 2 months po, ma'am.
opo, in that almost 2 months, dun po kami parang medyo ano siya sa amin. But the Lord is good. Nothing is
Ayan.
impossible po talaga pag si Lord na. And we are so grateful din po sa help niyo.
Paano po ba nabawasan rather yung takot niyo after ng magpakonsulta?
Everything is so smooth, ma'am. We are so grateful sa SDH kasi they've been calling us na ina-update kami. Kumusta na po? Like every time to time talaga. Kaya na bawasan yung kaba namin kasi we were handled properly.
What made you choose po, ma'am, at kayo, sir, na mag-SDH po kayo? Ano ba yung naging dahilan?
For us, ma'am, it was proven and tested because we got a friend. Sila po din yung tumulong sa amin na, o ganito, ganito yung SDH. Tapos mabilis nga lang daw. Different experience sila, ma'am, but same result. Very accommodating. From time to time, they're going to call us to update. It made us choose nga, sabi nila, oh, you go with SDH. Kasi gagawan at gagawan nyo daw po ng paraan. Kaya thank you po.
Kung may kapwa kayo Pinoy na mawala ng pag-asa na makasama nila for long-term yung partners nila sa New Zealand, ano po yung ma-share niyo po ngayon?
Don't lose hope. SDH, we're going to help you. Choose SDH.
Ayun.
We've been recommending your business po to our friends as well kasi we both have the same who referred SDH to us. Status dito sa New
Okay.
Zealand. Opo, and the Lord is good. The Lord has blessed your company po and we'll keep on praying that sila din going to be blessed by your company po. Thank you po talaga.
Salamat din po sa inyo, ma'am and sir. And God bless you din both as well. And soon po, hanggang RV, hanggang citizenship na naman po, ma'am, para po sa
Iya
inyo.
nga
We'll
po,
be
we
praying for
will
that as
contact
well
you
po sa
po.
inyo. After this call, I will be sending po sa email niyo po, ma'am, yung e-visa copy niyo.
Thank you, ma'am. Kindly tell
Welcome,
all the
ma'am.
team. Thank you po talaga for your hard work and we'll pray for your business po.
Ayan,
Thank
thank
you
you din po sa
po.
inyo, ma'am.
Thank
We'll
you
be
po.
praying for you as well po. God
Thank
bless.
you. God bless you, ma'am. Thank you for the team.